How to get Sezzle virtual card. To get a Sezzle virtual card from the Sezzle website, download the Sezzle app. Start by downloading the Sezzle app from the App Store for iOS, Google Play for Android, or follow these steps. Create a Sezzle account. Open the app and sign up for a Sezzle account using your mobile number and payment method, credit or debit card or bank account. Log into your account. Once you have an account, log in through the Sezzle app. Access the virtual card tab. Navigate to the virtual card tab in the app. Get your virtual card. Follow the steps provided in the app to get a multi-use virtual card. Create a purchase request. Go to the virtual card tab and select Make a purchase request. Enter the amount you want to spend, including any additional costs like shipping or taxes. Review and agree to the loan term. Use the virtual card for online purchases. Enter your Sezzle virtual card details at checkout. To pay in store, add the virtual card to your digital wallet, Apple Pay or Google Pay, and use it like any other card. Make sure you have an active purchase request, otherwise your transaction will be declined.